company's evolution is measured in its values, projects and targets, in its ability to handle the complexities arising from them, and achieve its goals in a spirit of continuous growth and improvement. In order to hold on to its advantage and stay competitive, know how to manage change and respond promptly to market demands, Tecnosystemi S.p.A. has put innovation at the very heart of its corporate strategy. Evolution, research and development must go hand in hand with a greater goal: respect for the environment and its protection, today and for future generations. With an acute awareness of the problems associated with pollution and the emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, which are the main causes of climate change, the company has underlined its green credentials by installing a new 500 kilowatt rooftop photovoltaic system, which meets the company's energy needs and has a negligible impact on the environment. The upgrading of energy efficiency in the production plant, the introduction of new machinery, the monitoring of energy consumption, and the use of recyclable materials are tangible evidence of our commitment to a cleaner world. Tecnosystemi, investing in the future.